Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to design a landing page on your Shopify online store. So, if you are very beginner and you wanted to create a custom landing page on your Shopify online store without hiring any developer, without any app, and even without any previous coding experience, then this tutorial will be very helpful for you. So let's get started. So here is my ready landing page. You can see I have designed a custom landing page. It's on Shopify platform. Looks here, myshopify.com. Okay, I'm going to scroll down. Yes, and here is the footer section. Also, this footer section is fully customized footer section. It's not general footer section that you will find built in with any theme. For example, if I go to the main website of this page, this is looks here, custom case cover my shop. This is the main website, and I have designed the landing page within this website, though the images and text is not relevant with the main website, but I just make it to show you everything in real life for teaching purpose. You can change text images based on your requirement. Okay, also I have designed another landing page with full overlay section in the left side and with a background image, and in the right side there is a lead generation form. Also, I want to mention other things that this form is designed from HubSpot, so it's very relevant. If you want to do perfect marketing, then you may use HubSpot or any platform, then you can integrate this form very easily in here. Okay, so I'm going to my Shopify admin panel. Here is my Shopify admin panel. Then you have to click on the online store. Then you have to click on this three dot icon, edit code, and now first of all you have to open the template folder. So click on here, add a new template, select template name page, select JSON, then file name get lead. Okay, get lead 3 we can make it. Then click on the done. Okay, now open section folder, create new section, file name will be get lead 3. Okay, then done. Okay, now go to the template section, add file name get lead 3, click on the save. Perfect. Now here you have to add the ready code snippet that is right now on my computer. So I'm going to copy all the code from here. Remove all previous code, paste in here. So select all code, all previous code, remove, then Ctrl V from your keyboard, paste all the ready code. So now the big question, where you will get the full ready code snippet. Just continue the video and you will get a very simple and easy guideline to get all the code snippets. So don't skip, just continue the full video, then you will know how you will get the free ready code snippet. Okay, so when we have passed all the ready code snippet, just click on the save. Now open asset folder, then add a new asset, asset name lead, get lead style, for example, okay, or get lead 3. That will be easy for you. Okay, now go back the section folder and link this file, get lead 3 for CSS. Okay, so we have done our coding part so far. Now go to the admin panel, click on the pages, create a new page, get lead 3, and you will find a template name get lead 3. Select this one, click on the save, and you must have to make it visible, so select this one, click on the save again. Now visit this page. So you can see that the design is ready, but the header section is visible in here. Also, if I scroll down, the footer section also looks here. There is a 2 footer section. One is by default. Let me show in real life. This one default footer section of theme, and this one custom footer section only for this custom landing page. So we have to fix this issue. Okay, to fix this issue, go back your admin panel of Shopify and open theme.liquid file. You will find this file under layout folder and add another simple code. Just copy and scroll down. Here is the ready code. Just looks very carefully. First you have to copy the code and add your page name, get lead 3, and you have to remove this code also, no need. The main things is that you have to keep your section header under the unless template contains rules in here. So click on the save, then go back. Wow, it's worked. So this code means if you visit this page, then the header will not show, otherwise everywhere the header group will show. In the same way, we have to copy, do this for footer section. So just add this line of code in here. Okay, remove, click on the save, reload. Wow, you see the footer has been gone. So easy and simple. So in the same way, you can design like this one, everything as you want. Super easy and simple. So now the writing part, that is how you will get the code snippet. So simply open your browser, search e-commerce. This is so simple process. Go to my website, e-commerce SEO agency, and simply contract with Foysal. Click on it or contact us anywhere. Then simply you can send me message by WhatsApp, by email. Also you can fill up the form from here and ask me or send me request to get the free ready code snippet. So I hope you understand everything very easily and very quickly, how you can design a custom lead generation page without header and footer in your Shopify online store or within your Shopify online store without any apps and coding skill. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.